Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix a microphone not working issue on your device. I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to fix your microphone not working issue on your PC, first thing what you can do is tap on your Windows tab and then on the search box type in settings and then open the app. Once you do this, in the left hand side bar there is an option as privacy and security. Click on it and then you'll be taken to the privacy and security page. Under it you'll be able to see a list of options and you'll need to head towards the app permission section. So while you're on this page you need to click on microphone and then you need to enable it, or you need to give an access to microphone. As you can see right at the bottom there are a list of applications where the microphone access has been enabled. If you see it off, which means that the microphone option has been disabled, might be one of the reasons for your issue. So you'll need to turn it on or you need to enable it and do the same procedure with the rest of the other features. If you're still unable to fix it, then what you can do is you can head back to the settings page once again, and then instead of privacy and security you can simply click on system. As you click on system, in the other side you'll be able to see a list of options, so click on sound. As you click on sound you'll be taken to output and input section. All of these options are to the maximum level and you also need to change your microphone's default. So you can go through it and make some changes and try checking your microphone and it might be able to fix it. And then the other step what you can do is you can simply click on the search tab once again and then on the search box type in control panel. And once you're on this page you'll need to scroll down to the section of sound. As you can see it's right over here, and then double click on it. You'll be able to see a pop-up. Now on this interface you'll need to select your microphone device. So you need to select it and after that you need to right click on the mouse and then click on disable. Once you've disabled it, once again do the same procedure, right click on the mouse and then enable this permission. After enabling as well as disabling it, click on properties and then you'll be taken to the other page. Now on this interface what you'll need to do is you need to click on levels and make sure that this point is towards your right hand side or to the maximum level. In case if it is to the left hand side or to the minimum level, this might be one of the issue where you're not able to use a microphone. And then the last alternative what you can do is you can update the Windows. If you haven't updated your Windows, then it might be one of the major reasons why you're not able to fix a microphone not working after doing all of these procedures. Go to the settings and then click on Windows Update in the top right. Once you've updated Windows, now restart your PC and after that you might be able to fix the issue. Thought on how you can fix your microphone not working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.